Assalamu alaikum student. Today our second video is related to the commonly used operating system and their brief descriptions. Its question may be okay, what are the commonly used operating system today and also describe their brief functionalities. Now I will discuss commonly used operating system. First is DOS, second Windows operating system, third Macintosh operating system, fourth Unix. This second topic is from textbook page 10, page 11 and page 12 of Computer Sciences FCS second year textbook. First is DOS. DOS stands for Disk Operating System. These are command driven operating system that we have to run this operating system by using commands. So it is difficult to learn and memorize it. For example, we use different set of commands. I have mentioned here some examples: cd, dir, del, copy, format, etc. For example, cd command is used to change drive. Similarly, to make drive or folder, we use md commands. Similarly, to remove or delete drive, we use rd commands. Different number of commands are used. We have to memorize and learn it to use the DOS operating system. Similarly, directory command used to show the list of directories. Similarly, we can use switches directory /p directory /w. Similarly, del command used to delete the file or folder. Copy command, or similarly xcopy command for external devices. Similarly, format commands. Different commands have different functionality and we have to learn and memorize it. So these are command driven operating systems. It have their own advantages and disadvantages. Second is Windows operating system. Very commonly, it was developed in mid 1980s by Microsoft Corporation. Basically, Windows belong to Microsoft corporations. The best advantage is it has GUI interface. GUI means graphical user interface, that we can use icon, menus and buttons in Windows operating system. Therefore, a small kid can also use Windows operating system with the help of pointer and mouse and joystick, etc. The examples of Windows operating system: Windows 95, 98, Windows XP, 7, and nowadays Windows 10s are used in these days. And Windows 10 have many great advantages. It has built-in antivirus software. So Windows, the basic advantage of Windows are their user-friendly environments that user can use icons, menus, and buttons, and even the small kids can use it according to by using mouse, by using joystick, and we can run it on videos. It not required to learn specific commands to operate it. So Windows are very basically graphical user interface, and it is widely used operating system all over the world. Third, Mac operating system, Macintosh. It is specific. It is used for specific purpose. Generally, it is installed on Apple computers. Apple is the company that manufactures computers for specific purposes. It is also known as OS X. It is more secure operating system as compared to Windows. It has some specific features, some specific commands, therefore it is more secure. But the drawback is it is not widely used according to the customer point of view. It is not widely used, so it have limited application software. The number of application software installed on it are very limited. But here we can see that in Windows we can install hundreds, thousands of application software. We generally see that we can install MS Word, Office, Excel, Access, Facebook, Internet, and hundreds and thousands of softwares on our Windows. But in Mac operating system, we have limited application software, but it has also its advantages because it is more secure operating system as compared to Windows. Now the last is Unix. Unix was developed in 1970 and in C language. It has greater processing power and better security than Windows. Unix operating systems are installed in many defense organizations. They have changed it according to their own requirements because it provides better security and hardware and protection, software hardware protection as compared to Windows. It is available for a wide range of computer systems from microcomputer to mini to mainframe. It is also used at wide range. For example, Unix operating system /390, its latest version. Unix is basically command-based, command-driven operating system, and this operating Unix, Xenix, Linux, these are basically used in defense organizations because it provides better security than Windows operating system. So these are the four commonly used operating system. All these have their own advantages, their own disadvantages, their own limitations, and their own potentials. So you have to memorize these points according to the board point of view. Okay ji, thank you. Allah Hafiz.